Hey guys, it's Jennifer Right X, and today we have our unbagging for Ipsy's November bag. If you're wondering why my eyes don't match, it's because I just filmed my first impressions review of the new Morphe James Charles palette, so if you're interested in checking that out, make sure you look in the box below. It'll be linked there, as well as some giveaways I have going on right now, which you should also check out. On to Ipsy. Information for this bag will be in the box below. I'm not an affiliate with them. Everything is just a free-for-all. All right, so this is a pretty cute bag. Probably one of my favorite ones that I've received from them. Now, I haven't had Ipsy for a while. This is only my second bag since rejoining because I only joined because I want that Glam bag, the plus bag, which I'm pretty sure I'm getting next month. So keep an eye out for that. Oh, and you know what? I also want to know, what are your thoughts on this? I think I'm actually going to do a different Battle of the Boxes next month. Ipsy's Glam bag plus against BoxyCharm instead of BoxyCharm against Boutique, just for next month, just to see if I'm going to keep the plus or not. Let me know what you think about that in the box below. All right, so the first thing, I don't know what this is. It's information, but it's nothing important. Anyway, all right, so the first thing I see in here is from Skin Iceland, and this is the Brightening Eye Serum. This is a sample, it's 0.10 ounces. I'll use it, I like eye creams, sure. All right, the next, oh my God, this is crazy. It's a black eyeliner. This is from Lock-It Waterproof Eye Pencil in Pearl Black. What does that mean? It's got sparkles in it. I'm already gonna tell you I'm gonna pass this along. Ooh, we got a brush. This is from Bogacci's. This is the eye shader brush, and I'm actually gonna pass this on too because I have about 3 of these. All right, and the next thing is from J.CAT London, and this is their Extraordinary Translucent Powder. It's a very cute bottle or tub, whatever. I'll give this a go. I'll put it in my to try drawer. And the last thing in here is from Tarte. Ooh, and it's a blush. This is one of their Amazonian Clay 12-hour blushes, and this is in the color Quirky. I do like their blushes. I don't really dive into Tarte too much, but they have nice blushes. Ooh, that's very pretty, and it's right up my alley. Oh God, I'm so sorry. You guys can't really see. It's like a corally orange blush. Right up my alley. I will definitely use this. Ugh. Well, good thing I'm done my video. All right, this bag was okay. The Tarte blush was cool. The eye serum was cool. The powder was cool. It wasn't bad. I'll give it a 3 out of 5, let's say. All right, so make sure you stay tuned for next month's unboxing because I will have the Glam Plus bag box from Ipsy. So, okay, keep an eye out. Make sure you let me know your opinion in the comments below, and let me know if you got anything different than I did. All right, see you later, guys. Bye.